Oh, I think Hannah won hands down. Who thinks Hannah won? Okay, we'll have a big cheer there. Who thinks Vicky won? Who thinks Hannah won? The victory goes to Hannah.
Has something planned that she would like to say. So Evie going to tell everyone what you do in B3, not just B3, in Francine's class too, she helps out.
Clean the table, paint Chloe's nails, put on Snow Patrol, Snow 5 music video, Seal, Kiss on the Bros music video by Batman Forever, R. Kelly, Gotham City music video by Batman and Robin, and I put on William's favorite song is Timber.
In our room, and we would be lost without her. 1, 2, 3. No, it has to be a bit louder. I have to hear you. 1, 2, 3. Where's our superheroes? Might need to do it again. 1, 2, 3. Again? Superheroes are late. 1, 2, 3, last time. And here is our superhero. Can we say hello to Batman? Who do you think's the best Batman? Or Alex? And does anybody know who this is? Because I didn't even know its name until this morning. But he said, I think I can beat the superheroes.